Hi friends, let me show you this medicine cooler that I received for reviewing purposes. It's recommended for patients with an insulin regime because it can help you to keep your insulin pens cold for a long time, okay? Let me show you. You get the instructions, the user manual, okay, how to use it. It has this thermometer in the cup lid. It's great. It needs no batteries. It's a mechanical thermometer, so you'll get the reading of the temperature always, okay? You get two cartridges, okay? As you can see, you can put your insulin pens there in the space that is left there. Okay, this is a gel cartridge. You put this in the refrigerator overnight and it will be cool in the morning and you can get more than 30 hours of a cold temperature in the cooler, okay? And if for any reason you can't cool your gel cartridge, you get this emergency cartridge that is empty and you can fill it with cold water in a restaurant, in an office, in a friend's home. You just need cold water and it will give you up to 12 hours of emergency cooling temperature in your cooler, okay? So if you travel, if you go for a picnic, if you go for a hike, if you go to a theme park or to a shop trip, you can bring your medicine pens with you and have them protected cold in this medicine cooler, okay? Thank you.